It's Darla from Crafty Yarn Owl. Come on in, sit down, relax. I got my coffee brewing. What are you guys drinking? What's in your cup? All right, you know, I ordered the cloud yarn from Michael's. I ordered 2 purple, 1 gray, and 1, well, granite, I think it's called, and then 1, it's called, I think, lobster shell. Well, the lobster shell one, they canceled on me. So it said because it may be out of stock, or maybe they don't ship to my destination, and some other reason. But anyway, that's okay. So the day I got that purple one, Pure Later had pulled up in front of my house, and I was so excited, and they brought me a purple one. Later that day, on maybe a different Pure Later truck, I'm not sure, they brought me my second purple one. And they both came from Medicine Hat, Alberta. I don't know why they do that. But anyway, it is the Caron Cloud cakes. And they're medium 4. Recommended hook and needle is 4.5 millimeters, 100% polyester, 240 grams, 760 yards. And this colorway, like I said, was, why do I do that? I always go all the way around. Purple. So it's a very pretty purple. And yeah, so the other one, the granite one, I'm waiting for, the gray one, supposedly is on its way. So that's nice. But these are so squishy. Oh, I mentioned the other day that some people were making comments saying they were having that they heard that other people were having problems with the cloud yarn, but I didn't know what kind of problems. And then someone commented saying not the cloud, the crystal cakes. So, okay, so I don't know what the problem is with the crystal cakes, but I have a couple of those too. I have not worked with them yet, so I don't know. But I am making one with another purple color, because I have 3 now, but one is going to a fellow YouTuber. But I did start making something with this cloud, and I absolutely love how it works up. And I had to frog, and frogging, there was no problem with frogging, no problem whatsoever. It didn't catch on itself or anything. It was really good. And this is so squishy and so soft. It's amazing. All right, so again, that was the Caron Cloud Cakes, Yarn Inspirations. All right, so the other day when I was recording my video, I thought, what am I gonna call this? Because I had 1 ball of yarn. Is it really a yarn haul if it's 1 ball? Then I thought, 1 ball yarn haul. That's what today is too, a 1 ball yarn haul. And I have some happy mail. Now I got this a couple of days ago from the lovely Gina. Hi Gina. I already emailed her, let her know I got it. Her channel is Gina Loves to Craft, and I will link it below, of course. Anytime I mention a channel, I will link it below. So look, she sent me this card. Isn't that adorbs? So adorbs. I love this polar bear. We have polar bears here in Manitoba, Canada. Up north, I'm actually closer to the American border, but up north we have them. Yeah, I've never been up there. Nope. And she wrote inside, hi, my sweet friend Darla, wishing you and your family a beautiful Merry Christmas 2021 and an amazing New Year 2022. Love, Gina Loves to Craft. And it's just a beautiful, beautiful card. Inside the card was this adorable sticker. Oh, I love it. I love it. And this is like 3D raised bling, and even the glasses are 3D on there. I don't know, can you see it like that? I don't know. But I think I saw you haul these, Gina, and they are so cute. All right, so Gina's channel is, like I said, Gina Loves to Craft. She is a paper crafter. She does a lot of hauls from many, many different stores in her area, well, a few stores in her area, and from online stores as well. I love to look at her, what she buys. I just love it because I'm also into paper crafting, although my first love is crochet, and that's mainly what I show on my channel is crochet. Yarn, you know, anything related to crochet. Every now and then I throw in a little something different, like if I do get like order paper crafting supplies, I'll show those usually. I got a bunch of what do you call it? Papers, you know, the decorative papers and that for Christmas. You make cards with and things like that. I didn't actually show you all of them because I got several packages, but you know, this is an example, and yeah, they're, you know, they're really cute, and I got them from AliExpress. You get a 12 pack, 6x6 for well, it depends, $3 or $4. Sometimes if you get the 24 pack, it's only about maybe $1 extra, you know, something like that. It seems like every time I show things from AliExpress and attach the link below, the price is different than what I paid. Sometimes it's up higher, sometimes it's down lower. Maybe they had a sale on, maybe they didn't when I bought them. I don't know, but anyway. I love AliExpress. They have so many awesome things on there that you can buy at really decent prices if you're willing to wait, because they're sometimes you get the stuff fast, sometimes it takes 2-3 months, but it depends where it's coming from in the world, right? Because I think it's like a bunch of different shops or people sell on there. Yeah. So anyway, love this sticker. I love this polar bear card. Thank you so much, Gina. Okay, so what I'm thinking about doing this year on my channel, and for myself and for you guys and for other YouTubers, is to, I know sometimes when we think we want to make something, crochet something, like maybe a summer tank top, we tend to gravitate to channels that we go on all the time. But what I'm trying to do this year, and I've already started, is I'm going to be making, and I hope you guys join along with me, making stuff and showing it in my Facebook group, or sending me emails with a picture if you like, or tagging me on Instagram. But what I'm doing is I'm looking up channels that don't have thousands and thousands of subscribers. I'm looking up the ones that have, you know, just a few thousand subscribers, and I'm looking at their tutorials to see which one I'd like to make. And I made Omi Crochet's boho bag the other day, and I showed it to you, and I love it. I love it. I did the straps, the handles different than she did, which is fine, and she commented on that video about it, and she thought it was great. You know, sometimes we put our own twist on patterns, right? We don't always do them exactly. If we like part of a pattern, and then we're thinking, okay, the straps, I don't know if I want those long straps, maybe I want shorter ones. So that's what I did with her boho bag. But I really love that pattern. I love the way she created the bag. It goes like in a circle around the bottom, and then there's a V at the top, and I just love it. I love it. She also showed, and I can't remember, she put a yarn with another kind of material. oh, I can't remember the name of it now. It's like a twine, sorry, I'll write it across the screen because I'll go check what it's called. But I thought that is a brilliant idea because it makes your bag stronger. I mean, I put 2 strands of yarn together for mine, and I used, like I used her stitch she used in the tutorial, and I used a hook that was suggested for 1 strand of that yarn, but I put 2 together, and I still used the same size hook, so it did make, I think, the bag stronger, more, what do you call it, more durable, I guess. But why is it I lose my words sometimes when I'm videotaping? Oh dear. More sturdy? Anyway, but she used something else. It's like, I don't know what it's called. But anyway, I thought that is a magnificent idea. I've watched hundreds of tutorials over the years, and I've never seen anybody use that. So I'm going to link her again below this video if you'd like to check out her tutorials. Her name is Katie. Okay, so you guys, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you all next time. Have a wonderful weekend.